Do you say the or the man or the man, the umbrella or the umbrella? So as I've mentioned in the previous video, you need to listen to the first sound in each word here. We say the if the noun starts with a vowel sound, a, e, o, a. And we say the if the noun starts with any other sound, m, k, b, g, t, etc. Man starts with m, and ma takes the, so it's the man. So we write the here. Umbrella starts with a is a vowel, so we say the umbrella. Banana, b sound, consonant, not a vowel sound, so the banana. Game, g consonant, not vowel, so the game. You do this one, guys. What do you think? The answer? Or do you say Philippines or the Philippines? Do you say Vietnam or the Vietnam? So do we use the before countries or not? Well, we use the before a country when its name is plural, like the Maldives. Notice the S here. Also, we use the when the name is compound. It has more than a word, like the USA. Look, 3 words, United States of America. Here we use the. These are the only 2 cases when we use the before countries. No the before the one-word name. We say Spain, 1 word, not the Spain. We say China. We say Brazil, 1 word, 1 word, 1 word. No the before them. Philippines, S at the end, plural, like this S. So yes, use the Philippines. Vietnam, 1 word name doesn't take the, no the here. Egypt, 1 word, also no the. UAE, United Arab Emirates, 3 words, so use the. Malaysia, 1 word, no the. Iraq, 1 word, no the. United Kingdom, 2 words, use the. Thailand. My friends from Thailand, what do you call your country? Thailand or the Thailand? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching.